न्यूयॉर्क सिटी की साउथ एशियन अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी के स्मॉल बिजनेसेस की एक अहम व नुमाइंदा तंजीम साउथ एशियन अमेरिकन स्मॉल बिजनेसेस एसोसिएशन सासबा की जानब से नासा काउंटी न्यूयॉर्क के नौ मुंतखब काउंटी एग्जेक्टिव ब्रूस ब्लेकमैन की फतह की खुशी में एक बड़े इस्तकबालिये का एहतमाम किया गया। रिपब्लिकन पार्टी से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले काउंटी एग्जेक्टिव ब्रूस ब्लेकमैन इस्तकबालिये में शिरकत के लिए पहुंचे तो सासबा के चेयरमैन मोहसिन शाह, प्रेसिडेंट चौधरी अकरम रहमानिया, वाइस चेयरमैन आदिल रहमान ने दीगर ओहदेदारों एकम सिंह, GS चावला, जसबीर सिंह और मुजीब लोधी समेत दीगर के हमरा उनका पुरतपाक इस्तकबाल किया और उन्हें खुशामदीद कहा। इस मौके पर तकरीब ब्रूस ब्लेकमैन के हक में नारों से गूंज उठी।
Stand up everyone, and give a big round of applause. He's the politician who fulfilled his promises.
Bruce! 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 Bruce!
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
काउंटी एग्जेक्टिव ब्रूस ब्लेकमैन ने मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी को माह रमज़ान की मुबारकबाद देते हुए अपने इलेक्शन में मुस्लिम व साउथ एशियन कम्युनिटी की सपोर्ट पर उनका शुक्रिया अदा किया।
This is overwhelming. I really want to thank each and every one of you for taking time out to be here today and for supporting me as county executive. Thank you. God bless you all.
काउंटी एग्जेक्टिव ने पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन चौधरी अकरम को अपना सीनियर एडवाइज़र करार देते हुए कहा कि मुझ पर कम्युनिटी ने जिस एतमाद का इजहार किया मैं उस पर पूरा उतरूंगा।
I know we're on the eve of a very important holiday, so I want to wish all of my Muslim friends a happy and blessed and meaningful Ramadan to each and every one of you. Let me tell you a little bit about my friend Chaudhry Akram. This man here is my dear friend. This man here was with me when people said it's too hard to beat a popular incumbent Democrat in this county. But my friend here had faith in me. And he knew that I would fulfill my promises. So I am blessed to have him as a friend, and I'm proud to call him my senior advisor. So thank you very much. Thank you.
सासबा के चेयरमैन मोहसिन शाह, प्रेसिडेंट चौधरी अकरम रहमानिया, वाइस चेयरमैन आदिल रहमान समेत दीगर ने काउंटी एग्जेक्टिव को उनकी कामयाबी की मुबारकबाद देते हुए कहा कि नासा काउंटी में साउथ एशियन अमेरिकन कम्युनिटीज़ की तादाद में हर रोज़ इजाफा हो रहा है और खुश आइंद बात यह है कि ब्रूस ब्लेकमैन की सूरत में ऐसा काउंटी एग्जेक्टिव मुंतखब हुआ है जो कम्युनिटीज़ से करीबी ताल्लुकात रखने पर यकीन रखता है।
Mr. Bruce, congratulations his own successful victory. Mr. Bruce, a great leader, and we will be continue to support him, move forward. As a chairman, SASPA, I would look forward to meeting with you all soon, and I hope to watch of this organization expand on future. Thank you everyone once again. God bless.
You are a great leader, and there's no doubt you are doing absolutely good for South Asian community. Whatever promise you made on election days, no doubt you've done that promise. I never see the leader like a Bruce Blakeman. When the people come for election, they promise. After that, we never see. But today, I'm approving my community. Our leader is here, and that's we are really appreciate.
So I would like to congratulate our new county executive, Bruce Blakeman. He ran a strong and well-fought election that was focused on the core issues Nassau County residents were most concerned about, and he won. Can you please give him and his team another round of applause?
And I want to thank everybody over here for coming over here and supporting us and the victory of Mr. Bruce over here. And I just want to give back over here. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for everybody's support and for the voting. And we promise with him, we stay with him, and we explore with him all the time now in the future. If any need our community, need help, we are behind him.
Our Pakistani community participating in the economic as well as the political field in New York and in America. Indeed, supporting small businesses it is very heartening to see that such an organization which is working for the support of small businesses here, and I wish everyone the very best of luck.
To be serving in this administration as the Executive Director for the Office of Asian American Affairs for this vibrant county. And as you know, Bruce Blakeman, he's a businessman, and he's been following all the promises he's made. He's been busy, he's been out there getting work done. He's promised to bring back this economy and Nassau County businesses like SASBA. He's made it a point to prioritize the diversity of this county and the inclusion of the South Asian community.
South Asian business owners can be found all over the county, running everything from petrol stations to pharmacies, supermarket, workshops, real estate agencies, and so on.
70% of these South Asian youth, they have college educated degree. They have a college degree, 70% of them. They are earning more than 100,000 and plus, and they are serving across the board in this country. And moreover that, they have an affinity towards politics. They are serving this country, and they are committed people. That is the most beautiful thing.
But I will salute you for telling us that there is something more than having a photograph with the community leader. Thank you, sir. We salute you. And you came here, you fulfilled your promises. You put Aruj on a very prominent position. You put Chaudhry Akram on the transition team. We can't tell you, we are short of words to thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
तकरीब से खिताब के दौरान पाकिस्तानी वाइस कौंसल जनरल नवाब बादल खान समेत डिप्टी इंस्पेक्टर अदील राना, कम्युनिटी कायदीन फाइक सदीकी, शहरियार अली, एकम सिंह, एग्जेक्टिव डायरेक्टर अरूज इस्लाम, कौंसलमैन थामस समेत दीगर का कहना था कि काउंटी के हर इलाके में साउथ एशियन कम्युनिटी की मौजूदगी वाज़ेह है और ये कम्युनिटी काउंटी की तामीर व तरक्की और फलाह बहबूद में अपना हर मुमकिन किरदार अदा कर रही है। कम्युनिटी कायदीन ने कहा कि काउंटी एग्जेक्टिव ब्रूस ब्लेकमैन ने जिन इंतखाबी वादों पर इलेक्शन लड़ा वो नासा काउंटी के रहायशियों के अहम मसाइल हैं और हम तवक्को करते हैं कि काउंटी एग्जेक्टिव अपने इंतखाबी वादों को जल्द अज जल्द अमली शक्ल देंगे। तकरीब में सासबा की जानब से काउंटी एग्जेक्टिव ब्रूस ब्लेकमैन समेत कम्युनिटी की अहम शख्सियात चौधरी अकरम, मोहसिन शाह, डिप्टी इंस्पेक्टर अदील राना, एकम सिंह, आदिल रहमान, कौंसल जनरल आयशा अली, अजरा डार, सरफराज अहमद, कौंसलमैन थॉमस समेत दीगर को उनकी खिदमात के एतराफ़ के तौर पर अवार्ड्स पेश किए गए। मोहसिन ज़हीर, न्यूयॉर्क।